Civilians executed. Cold blood. Bodies dumped into mass
So when you heard the secretary and the chairman talk yesterday about some training that was being done for Ukrainian military members, that's what they were referring to. They were referring to a very small number of Ukrainian soldiers who were already in the United States and had been since the fall, since well before the invasion, for military educational purposes, professional military training. And we took the opportunity to having them still in the country to give them a couple of days worth of training on the Switchblades so that they can go back, and they will be going back soon, back home, to train others in the Ukrainian military. So we've already sent in 100 Switchblade UAVs that were already in our stocks. We sent them in from those stocks. I don't know where they are in the transshipment process, but they arrived over the earlier this week. So they'll be getting into Ukraine quickly if they aren't already there. That's the 100 that President Biden announced a couple of weeks ago.